Okay, gentlemen. Today the batch going to pass out batch number 05-2024. So are you confident?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today directors are with us for the blessing for your SSB. Basically, before giving the compliments and blessing, there is a student, Chirag Yadav, who have cleared the CDSE and ACKNOWLEDGEMENT exam from Doon Defense Academy. जैसे कि यहाँ पर सबको 1000 कैश अवार्ड मिलता है, तो इनको भी मिलेगा, ठीक है? ओके, चिराग।
Congratulations.
Chirag Yadav from Firozabad Army.
I won't say much. आपको ऑलरेडी ट्रेन सर पूरी टीम ने कर दिया है. Go with full जोश and confidence. Be original. अभी बहुत सारे रिजल्ट आ रहे हैं. एक गर्ल भी अभी फ्लाइंग ब्रांच में रिकमेंड हुई है, बॉय भी हुआ है और बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स SSB चल रहा है. तो नेक्स्ट नंबर इज योर्स. ऑल द बेस्ट एंड आई होप बहुत सारे रिकमेंड होंगे एंड आफ्टर रिकमेंडेशन एज यू नो when you will come in merit list you will get 10,000 cash award from DDA. Return पे 1,000 है और merit list पे 10,000 है, right? So all the best.
From Rohtak, Haryana.
Yes, all the best.
Thank you. Krishna Chaudhary from Muzaffarpur, Bihar.
All the best, Krishna.
Thank you, sir. Vineet Chakra from Jahanabad, Bihar.
जहानाबाद से आए हो.
Yes, sir.
All the best. For which entry?
Sir, I'm from PCC.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Arad Bhanti from Haridwar.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Priyanshu Kushwaha from Jalon, Uttar Pradesh.
All the best, Priyanshu.
Thanks, sir. Kanish Shukla from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
All the best, Kanik.
Thank you, sir. Ranshuraj Saini from Indore, Uttar Pradesh.
All the best, Priyanshu.
Thank you, sir. Shivam Pandey from Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh.
अयोध्या. टेम्पल गए अभी तक?
Yes, sir.
अयोध्या टेम्पल गए?
Yes, sir.
होके आगे?
Yes, sir.
चलो राम जी की कृपा है आप तो. Good luck.
Thank you. Chirag Yadav from Firozabad, Uttar Pradesh.
All the best, Chirag again.
Thank you, sir. Mayank Kumar from Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan.
All the best, Mayank.
Thank you, sir. Naveen Yusufam, Halani, Uttarakhand.
Naveen.
Yes.
हल्द्वानी से हो. Good luck.
Saurabh Bhakuni from Almora, Uttarakhand.
All the best, Saurabh.
Thank you, sir.
Chalo, once again, all the best.
Thank
Go
you.
and come with flying colors. Thank you.
Jai Hind, my name is Kavya and I have cleared the NDA written examination and I have come to Doon Defense Academy for my SSB training. My experience was very wholesome because starting from the psych part, our Colonel Sahab had made us practice many interview rounds and had given us many TAT and BAT questions as well that refined our vocabulary, our pronunciation and time management. He had made us practice PPTT a lot of times that enhances our imagination and also gives us an overview about how to discuss. Secondly, coming on the GTO, I had completed many tasks like the individual obstacles, the PGT, the half group task, the command task and the group obstacle race as well. Our GTO sir, Ravi Patel sir, supported us in every way. He taught us how to overcome any obstacle, be it in SSB or be it in life as well. Thirdly, coming on the OIR part, Pankaj sir made us practice a lot of questions about the different topics and my experience was very wholesome. Jai Hind.
Everyone, my name is Arad Bhanti and I'm a student at DDA. Doon Defense Academy was where I had come to take my SSB coaching. After clearing the NDA exam, I found it imperative that I needed to understand the entire process of the coaching, the entire process of the SSB interview, and for that I joined the Doon Defense Academy. The faculty here guided me well and taught me a lot of things in life. They taught me where I was weak, they taught me where I was strong, and I was able to exercise my abilities properly. And I hope that I will now be able to clear the SSB interview with flying colors. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. So my name is Chirag Yadav. I came from Uttar Pradesh, Firozabad district for preparation of written examination of CDS as well as SSB. I have cleared 6 examination CDS, 3 CDS, 2 FCAT and 1 Indian Coast Guard Assistant Commandant. I have to the written examination in which there are mock test. The faculty is very good and very amicable, also understanding. The mock test is really helpful. They help me to they help me in the management of the time as well as OMR sheet. Also the pressure which is faced in the examination. Furthermore, I have also appeared for SSB coaching. The GTO staff and the other faculty is very good. The GTO ground is very good, and as well as they are very approachable and easily understanding, and they improve my personality very well. Thank you so much.
Jai Hind everyone. I am Krishna Chaudhary, come from Muzaffarpur, Bihar. I have cleared FCAT examination and I come for DDA for SSB. All the teachers, psychologists sir, interviewing officers sir, OIR and psychologists sir, GTO sir are well experienced and give more extraordinary and give more practices on obstacles, etc. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Dinesh Sharma and I am from Bihar, and I cleared JEE Mains examination and then applied for TES, and then I got the mail from Indian Army to appear at the SSB, and for that I joined the DDA for the SSB preparation. I came here, at first I was very weak in communication skills and also weak in doing obstacle tasks, and then I met Ravi Patel sir here, who provided every information about every obstacles, that how can we pass them, or if the officer there, GTO officer there removes any obstacle or makes any obstacle stuff, then how can we deal with that. And also the interviewing officer sir, Colonel sir, and he is also the psychology sir, makes us to practice so many questions on the PPDT, and also increases our confidence so that we can give a 3-minute straight lecturate on any topic that we have given by the SSB officers. And overall experience about DDA, I got so much motivation, and we were given so many questions so that we can practice so many more, and also we have provided so many mock tests so that we can get exam ready. And first of all, I would say that the OIR sir tells us everything, that how can we clear screened in the first day, very first day, and also we get every recommendation about and every things that we should take care of in conference, and so that we get conference out. And I am highly motivated to appear at the SSB and get conference done and get selected at the SSB. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Kunal Rathi and I come from the Rohtak, Haryana, and I have very good experience in the DDA Academy, and the faculties are very good, and thanks. And
Jai Hind, my name is Naveen Chandra Joshi and I am from Haldwani, Uttarakhand, and I cleared my CDS exam last month, and I am here for preparation of my SSB in DDA. The GTO sir and the interviewing officer explained everything very thoroughly. The obstacle had many variations and the overall experience was very good. The faculty was excellent here and provided with everything, and thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Shivam Pandey. I am from Ayodhya, UP. I cleared JEE Mains examination and now I am appearing for TES interview. I came to Doon Defence Academy to know the process of SSB and learn more and more about it. The teachers and the faculty of the DDA is very good. They point out my mistakes, give me a lot of suggestions, and trained me very well. They also helped me in the physical training, and a very good experience in this. Thank you so much.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.